Hello and thank you for choosing Kinetic Hosting. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to install Forge on your Minecraft server. So without further ado, let's get right into this, shall we? There are two ways to install Forge on your server. One is using our built-in version installer on the Kinetic panel, or you can install Forge yourself. So let's go ahead and show you both ways of how to install Forge. First, we will start off with a version installer. Go to the left-hand side under the Game Tools category and click on Version Installer. Next, up here in this drop-down menu, click on this box and you will see Forge, so go ahead and click on that. Next, you will find the Forge version that you want to play, or you can select a Minecraft version right here as well for any version that you want. For the sake of today's tutorial, I will be using Minecraft Forge 1.20.4. So the moment I click on that, the versions that are on our installer for 1.24 Minecraft will show up here, as you can see. So let's go ahead and download this by clicking Install and then Install. This may take up to a minute to grab all the files that it needs so it can install Forge correctly on your Minecraft server. Alright, now that it's installed, the screen will go back to how it was on our version installer. So go ahead and go to the file manager, and you will see the Forge libraries folder is here, along with the server jar that the server needs to boot. So let's go ahead and show you how to install Forge manually now. You go to the Minecraft Forge website here, and then find the version you want. As always, I will be using 1.20.4, so let's go ahead and click on that. You can either download the latest or the recommended version. We always recommend you download the recommended version, as the latest one for Forge could cause a bit of issues. So let's go ahead and click on the installer, then click download. You'll get sent to this ad focus page, and on the top right here, just click skip, and it will start downloading for you. It may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so don't worry about that. Alright, now that it's here, click on open file, and you'll see the Forge installer pop up here. Click on install server, and then find a folder that you want it to install to, and then click on open. And this is where Forge will install. So let's click OK. It will run the installer service for Minecraft Forge, and as you can see, it's already completed, successfully downloaded Minecraft server and installed the 1.20.4-Forge-49.1.0. So let's go ahead and click OK. And since this is the folder I put it in, everything is right here that I need. Alright, so what we're going to do now is go ahead and right click in that folder or wherever you downloaded Forge here, and right click New. And since I'll be using WinRAR, but you can use another file archive if you want. So go ahead and make it a compressed zipped archive and just call this Forge. Now what you'll do, you'll drag the Forge jar that it installed and into that zipped folder, along with the libraries as well. It will compress all of its files for you. Go ahead and open that zip just to make sure everything is there, which it is. Now head back to the Kinetic panel and go to the file manager. It should be empty if this is a fresh install of Forge. Although it doesn't need to be empty, I'm just choosing to do it for the sake of today's tutorial. So go ahead and drag that forge.zip into your file manager. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a while for it to upload. You can see that it's right here, one file uploading, and when I click on it, we'll see the progress of the upload. If the file is over 1 GB big though, you will have to use SFTP to upload it. We will have a guide in the description of this video so you can learn a little bit more about SFTP and how to use it. Now that it is uploaded, it will show up in your file manager here. So go ahead and right click this and then click on archive. Alright, now you can right click and delete that forge.zip that you uploaded, and you will see the libraries and then the Forge jar that was mentioned before. Go ahead and go to this Forge jar and right click it and click rename. Rename this Forge jar to server.jar as you can see here, and it was renamed. Now head to your settings page, and you will see server jar file. Since mine is called servers.jar, I do not have to rename it any further here. But if you left it normal in the file manager, you will have to rename it here so your server can start. Now let's go ahead and go to the console page and then power on our server. You should see that Minecraft Forge is starting once I accept the EULA here. And as you can see right here, Forge mod loading version 49.1.0 for Minecraft 1.20.4. And from there, you are good to go, and you can head to the file manager and put the mods that you want to play in your mods folder. So that is how you install Forge on your Minecraft server. If this video does help you out, make sure to smack that like button and subscribe for future tutorials. Thank you so much for choosing Kinetic Hosting and watching this video. And we will see you around. You can head to the file manager and put the mods that you want to play in your mods folder. So that is how you install Forge on your Minecraft server. If this video does help you out, make sure to smack that like button and subscribe for future tutorials. Thank you so much for choosing Kinetic Hosting and watching this video. And we will see you around.